Hi everyone. Welcome to Top 7 YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about top 7 makeup hacks every beauty enthusiast should know in the world. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. Let's start. Number 1. Apply concealer before foundation. Foundation is something which can ruin the whole look, and therefore it is best not to ruin it by overloading products on top. Also, since the concealer has to be a shade or two lighter than the natural skin tone, sometimes blending it can be a tough job. Therefore, it may also look very uneven on the face. To get that flawless look, apply concealer to the areas where required and brighten the dull areas as well. Now apply foundation and simply use the dab motion to blend it on the face without looking streaky or cakey. Number 2. Apply lip liner after lipstick. This is one of the famous Bobbi Brown tricks and also used by the makeup artist Napoleon Perdis, who works on Miranda Kerr at Fashion Week Australia. Sometimes it is very difficult to get that perfect color for liner as well as lipstick. Hence, the liner might look either dark or a light and will draw the attention on the harsh line. Apply the lipstick and then the liner to avoid that clash of color and prevent the harsh line from being visible, and therefore it gives you a clean overall look. Number 3. Apply eyeliner starting at the outer corner. The results of this particular makeup trick are amazing. Cat liner, wing liner, or even the basic lining is quite popular, and we literally do it every day before stepping out of the house. To bring out the perfection, line the outer corner of the lower lash line first and extend slightly beyond the corner of the eye. Now, come back in towards the upper lash line. This will enhance the eye shape like no other and will make no room for the mistake even when you are in a hurry. Number 4. Apply mascara first. Makeup artist Napoleon Perdis said, "I've always been a big believer in applying mascara first, and last. Mascara opens up the eyes and helps you to map out the look you are going to create." To bring out the best of it, simply apply a single coat in the beginning and followed by the eye and lip makeup. Then go back and clean the under eyes and finish off with another coat. Just make sure to use a clump-free mascara. Number 5. Fill in brows from the outside in. Currently, everyone is getting into the eyebrow game, and all you need is perfection to bring out the best of the eye makeup. We all start from the inner corner, while the right way is to initiate from the outer corner. This is because the inner corners are mostly dense than outer one, and that is where your concentration should be. Simply fill in the outer corners and make sure to blend in with the inner corner to get that perfect and au naturel finish. Also, use 2 shades of brown or gray to perfect the look further. Number 6. Highlighter before foundation. All you have to do is use a highlighter or strobe cream and apply on the places where you want to highlight. Now go for the usual foundation routine and see what a beautiful and natural glow it gives. Even if you want more glow, you can always go back to the powder highlighter and apply some on top. Number 7. Makeup first and then hair. This is one of the makeup tricks coming from Mario Dedivanovic, Kim Kardashian's makeup artist. Generally, makeup artist goes for the hair first, but Mario states it is better to do the makeup first. He says this because the hairsprays used can form a layer on the face which will prevent the foundation from gliding smoothly and end up looking streaky or uneven. It might make the foundation slide off in humid atmosphere. Thus, once you are done with full makeup, start off with the hairstyle you want to go for.